Hello and welcome to our channel. Are you ready to learn some new English words today? We're going to do it in a fun and easy way with a short story. Just listen carefully, enjoy the story, and see how many new words you can pick up. Let's begin. One morning, a boy named Liam woke up feeling very curious. The night before, he had found an old, dusty map in his grandfather's attic. This map showed a small forest near his village, and right in the center, there was a big red mark. Liam decided he had to explore that forest. As he walked deeper among the trees, they seemed to grow taller and taller. The air became quiet and mysterious. Suddenly, he heard a strange sound right behind him. For a moment, he felt a little nervous, but his curiosity was stronger than his fear, so he kept going. After walking for about an hour, Liam spotted a small wooden box hidden under a big oak tree. He opened it slowly, his heart pounding. Inside, he found a beautiful, shiny silver key. At that exact moment, he realized the map was real. Liam felt so proud and happy. He learned a valuable lesson that day. Sometimes, a little bit of courage and curiosity can lead you to the most amazing discoveries. What a great story! Now, let's look at the 5 new words we learned. First up is curious. Curious means you really want to know or learn something new. For example, the cat was curious about the little red ball. Next, we have explore. To explore means to travel through a new place to discover what's there. For instance, we plan to explore the city on our vacation. Our third word is nervous. Nervous is that worried or slightly scared feeling you get. For example, I always feel nervous before a big presentation. The fourth word is realized. To realize something means to suddenly understand it or become aware of it. For example, he suddenly realized he had left his keys at home. And finally, our fifth word is courage. Courage is being brave, especially when you feel afraid. It takes a lot of courage to stand up for what you believe in, and there you have it. 5 new English words. Great job today. Try to use these words in your own sentences to really make them stick. Listen to the story again if you like, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more fun English lessons every day. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.